Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about this 3-axis camera gimbal from TV. It comes with the Basecamp 32-bit controllers with encoders. Encoders are not really new technology. They've been used over the years in robotics for ensuring accuracy in monitoring position. Now, some of the benefits include preventing motors from losing synchronization and avoid skipping steps, providing essential information about camera angles and frame, decreasing power consumption for longer battery life, and increasing torque and precision of stabilization. Smart battery life. Okay, what's also included are smart batteries, which are designed for longer runtime and quick installation. The remote joystick, which is not included. It also supports remote joystick, sold separately, to control pan and tilts of the camera and switch through different profiles. Side handles. Removable side angles for easy storage and transportation. 5.8 gigahertz transmitter. It also comes in with a 5.8 gigahertz video transmission below the camera base plate. Motion profiles include follow operator pan and tilt movement, follow operator pan movement, disable follow for both pan and tilt. With all that being said, I have terrible news because after I used it like once over a year or two ago, I finally took it out of storage to try and use it. For the longest of time, I've been using a glide cam. A glide cam is a little bit reliable because it does not depend on any motor, any electricity, batteries, and so forth. You just take it out, balance it. As soon as you balance it, it's ready for use. And it can be used anywhere, travel anywhere, and is essentially very, very robust and very reliable. However, I took this out, went to downtown Riverside to try and take some B-rolls over there. And it's a good thing because I caught this. I was going to be meeting up with a client next week, which is going to be a horrible mistake, showing up with a gimbal that I'm thinking works, but it does not work. Some of the things I ran into, the batteries I have, for some reason, do not work. I've been charging it for a very long time, and no response. That's horrible. And I have the other one. This one kind of, it lights up. Now, if you know what issue this is, please leave a comment below. That'll be very helpful if you've dealt with this. If not, that's something that you want to look into. And hopefully, if I get a chance to really use it on the field, I can give you an extensive review. But for now, it's not looking good for TV and their gimbals. It's not looking good. I took it out. It's not working right. You put this on, I just took it off of there, but basically you light it up like this, right? And when you let go, there's a red light that comes on. I don't know what that means. That light right there. I don't know what it means, but it's not lighting up the gimbal at all. So that's a loss that I ran because I only used it once and I have not been successful this far. But with all that said, I got good news. I don't want to dwell on bad news a lot. I recently reached 300 subscribers. I know it's not a lot for some of you guys that are on 2 million or whatever. I just reached my benchmark for the year, or for now, which is to get 300 subscribers. I was aiming for 500. That didn't work out. It happens. It's okay. But for my faithful subscribers, I have something for you. All right. One of you guys is going to win this Fire Stick. The Fire Stick, you can watch over 200,000 movies, and wherever you are in the world, one of you guys is going to win this. Just leave a comment below, but the chances of winning are only geared towards those that are my subscribers. So what can actually increase your chances of winning this thing is if you follow me on Instagram, on both my Instagram accounts, which is Fortress Lens, as well as Mr. Number 4, TRESS, Mr. Fortress. That will increase your chances of winning. All right, but for now, good luck. Leave a comment below. Let's keep up. Tell me what you think about this gimbal. My recommendation, don't buy it. All right, you're going to run a loss. It's inevitable. Sometimes that's why we go before a lot of people. I got it. does not work for me, does not work at all. Perhaps my engineering background may come into play right now, as I will have to disassemble it. Probably check it out. Especially given the situation that I really reached out to KMTV and no one has responded to send them an email. This is horrible. This is terrible. Out of 10 stars, I give it a 0 for now, as we speak. I do not recommend this product right now. I know it's like terrible news, but I wouldn't want anybody to go buy it and then suffer this. If any of you guys have encountered this problem, let me know. Perhaps, and I'm hoping that it's a small little problem, but as it looks right now. Oh, and by the way, I looked it up on their website. They discontinued this product, so which proves that they knew that they made a grave error. But for now, and for today, hit that like button if you like the video. Smash that subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you on the next video. Deuces.